Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a Canva website scrollable. Alright guys, so if your Canva website only shows one page and you're wondering how to make it scroll like a real website, this video is going to teach you exactly how you can do that. As you can see on my screen, I currently have my scrollable website being displayed over here, and if you want to recreate this, if you want to have this both on desktop and on mobile, you can follow this tutorial and I'll show you how you can easily get this done. All right, guys. So your first step would be to head over to Canva Home. That's the home page of Canva. Now, once you're on the home page, please make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Canva, then go ahead and sign up for the Canva platform. You could either pay for the pro subscription or use it for free. Now, on the home page, that is the home icon at the top left where we have home here. If you click on it, you'd be dropped here. Now go ahead and click on website where we have create new website. Go ahead and click on this option. All right, so on clicking on it, you're taken to a menu where you can simply edit and create your design. Now, I have to explain something. By default, Canva can create single page or multi-page websites. It depends on your use case and how effective you are at creating your website. Now, to make your website scrollable, you need to design it as a long and continuous page. That is to be adding sections. That's basically adding more sections to your design. All right, so like I said, open the home page, click on website, and you'll be dropped here. Now, once you are here, your first shown templates that you can use. We'll be making use of templates for this video, so I'm going to be going through and selecting any of the templates. We do have free templates, we have the paid templates as well. I'm going to be going with any one that suits what I'm trying to do, which is this here. And now all you need to do is just where we have apply all 5 sections, go ahead and click on it, and it's going to create 5 unique looking sections to your Canva designs. And now all you need to do, let's say you want to customize this for whatever reason or for your own website. You're building a website that resembles this. All you need to do is just select any part of the website to simply edit it. So we could just start with the basics, that is editing the colors. So let's pick a more dashing color, like a vivid red. This image here is a placeholder. You could simply just click on delete and delete the entire image and the frame, and you'd have something unique there. So we can leave it on black here, on red, sorry. And if you scroll down a bit more, we have a few more things like an about me page, so you could simply replace this with the things you do. So we have little facts here that you can actually interact with. It basically is kind of like an episodial showcase of the person's talents and why you should tune in. All right, so now, like I said, in order to make a scrollable website, you need to have them stacked and looking like this. Once you have them stacked looking like this, you can create a scrollable website. The most important thing is adding animations. So you could add animations to your platform. Let's say we want to animate this picture. Just go ahead and click on it. And then we could have it as a blur. So it would appear a bit slower, and yeah, we could have that there. So now you could customize your website as much as you want. You could customize the little details by making them either, burst into place, things like this. You could have them all over the place. And if you scroll through, there's more. You could even animate an entire page itself by either making it slide into place or having it pan in like so, and just lower the speed a bit more, and voila, you've created something unique. You could do this for more sections, as many sections as you want. You could even add extra sections for anything you want to talk about. So let's say we want to edit these. We could have them tumble into place. Let's say this is automatic, so we could make this tumble in from the left, and we could make this tumble in from the right, and then we could work on the intensity. So if you lower the intensity, you know it looks good. So let's lower the intensity for this, and then simply adjust the speed. You can adjust the speed as well. Okay, the option to adjust the speed isn't available for this. But yeah, we have animated this, and there's lots more you could do. Once you're done, all you need to do is click on preview, and voila, the website is as scrollable as it ever would be. And it looks amazing, actually. So you could also have it include a navigation menu. So if you have more than one section, remember this is an entire page. So sections are, these blocks here of images and text. So an entire page would make it appear when you click on preview. It would appear at the top here when you click on include navigation menu. So let me go ahead and do this. Let's create a new blank page and just call it this. And then if you head back to page one, click on preview, you'd find it at the top when you include the navigation menu. So you'd find it as page two. All right. And you can also view it on mobile. This is basically how it would be simulated on mobile. So you could actually have a look at what you're basically working on and doing and how it would fit into other people's perspective. All right, guys. So that's how you can basically add scrollables to your website. Comment down below if you have any questions. And when you're done, just click on publish your website, and that's it. All right. So leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.